Hey guys, this is David, and this time in this video I'm gonna show you this drawing that I did only with the new set of pencils that Art and Fly sent me recently. And I didn't want to use markers this time because I wanted to see what these pencils could do, so that's why I chose something colorful. And I have to say that I was really surprised with the results, but I'll leave my conclusions about them in the end of the video. Now I'll leave you with the time lapse and some explanations of the process, and I hope you enjoy it. So that's it, guys. I have to say that working with these pencils, it's easier than I thought it would be. They're very resistant and have a really strong pigment, so they definitely don't depend on the markers to make the colors more vibrant. The only part where you might have some trouble is when you're doing the layers. At least on smooth paper you can't make too many layers one on top of the other, so you have to be really careful at choosing the right colors. But in general, I can definitely assure you that they are a big evolution from the previous set of pencils, and it's a really good choice in case you're still asking yourself. But I hope you liked the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.